Well, hello girls. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. I was just thinking we're just over 2 months out of school now, so it's been a long time since we've seen all of you, so I really do miss you. Anyway, today I chose this beautiful scenic position here up on Bray Head to give you some brilliant news. So this week we got the news that we have won our third Green Flag Award. Now, to all those who know what that is, or those who don't know what it is, it's a special award given to schools for taking care of their school community, for taking care of their environment and their school community, and to all those who are involved in that, I want to say huge congratulations. So it is to everybody in the school, every student, every teacher, everybody from George in the dining hall to our maintenance people like Franz and Lorenzo. So thank you to everybody. And I want to say in particular to the Green Schools Committee. And I don't want to leave any girls out, so I've written down the names so I'll remember everybody. So it is Charlie McKinnon, Edith, Alice, Sorka, Clara, Ella Rose, Emily Galvin, Emily Mullen, Natasha, Bella, Eve, Layla, Adelina, Emily Dempsey, Marta, Evie, Nika and Aurelia. So you are the fabulous committee that led this programme, including with Miss Richardson, Miss Stapleton and Miss Smith, and all of you led the programme in the school, attended the meetings and brought the information back to the classes and got everybody involved. So it's a huge day for Alexandra College Junior School. And just to let you know, girls, obviously we can't go to the ceremony to collect the flag. We will do that later in the year when the schools reopen, and also we will have our flag raising ceremony in the autumn too. So we look forward to a really special day celebrating with everybody. So well done for everybody on that. Now, in other news, I hope you're all keeping safe and well, you and your families. Keep up the great work you're doing with your teachers. Again, I check in with them all the time to see how you're doing. Are you doing your homework? Are you keeping up on your assignments? If you're having any trouble, make sure you're asking for help. So well done on that. Make sure that you're helping out at home too, girls. I hear a lot of your parents saying you're learning new skills at home, but I hope you're doing your basic things like making your bed and helping each other out and helping mom out at home too, mom and dad out at home. A couple of things to remind you about is to make sure that you keep your items coming in for the Alex Connection Press that goes out on Fridays. It's a great newspaper going out every single Friday, and it's great to see all your work in that. A reminder too that on Friday week we would normally have one of our very special days on the school calendar, it's Sports Day, and we won't be having that. Obviously this year we can't have that because we're not on the campus, but we will be giving you some special challenges to do. Instead of calling it Sports Day, we're going to call it Challenge 2020. So I'm going to email your parents about that and give you more information on that next week. Also, to our birthday girls, if you celebrated a birthday this week, happy birthday to all of you. And just to let you know that too, we're getting everything ready in the school for you to come back in late August. And we're doing everything we can to make sure, girls, that our very important rules of keeping social distance are adhered to when we all come back to school. You know all about that now, and you're so good at that because you're practicing it all the time. And just to let you know, finally then, just to say very well done again on earning the green flag, and stay safe, stay well, keep up the great work, and I will see you next week. Well done, girls.